Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations, and today is Thursday Train. All three of us are going to be doing jelly prints. So, I hope you stick around to see what the girls come up with, but let's get right down to the paper and see what we can come up with. As you see here, this is my registration plate. I saw Kathleen from Cause Creations use it a few weeks ago, and I just had to get one. And the whole point with this is to allow you to put your piece of paper that you're going to be doing your jelly print in the same place every time. So I can have a nice border with what I'm doing. And the plate is basically the same height or the same thickness as my jelly plate is. So I'm excited to try this and see what I can come up with. I'm going to be working with some layering. Colors are going to be gray. That's natural gray. This is blue gray. That is light pink. Most likely somewhere along the line I'll add my iridescent copper and some PBO precious gold. So those are my colors for today. Trying to keep it fairly earthy. Anyways, to keep things simple. I might be using somewhere within this round jelly plate I have. We'll see as we go along. I'm just going to be playing. So come along. Let's see what I come up with. Here we go. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Okay, let's talk about this just a few seconds. You can see as I go in, all the layers are there. This is the first one I did. Only thing you didn't see with this one is the planting of the leaf on the top with the round that I had. Okay, the second one is from my roll-off where I got rid of the extra ink as my background, and I have the fern leaf in the center in the middle of the circle. I took my Posca pen and I not only gave my frame marks, but I also managed to outline the fern leaf to make it stand out more. So that's it for today. Up next is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. So I sure hope that you stick around. They're both going to be doing jelly prints today, so let's see how this goes. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.